Hello friend, in this video we'll discuss about the ECAM APU SD page. So press the APU push button on the ECAM control panel. You will get APU push button, APU pop out on the lower ECAM. So APU page will visual. So this is your APU page, and right now just for information, this is in running condition. So we'll first discuss on this page only. So here you'll see there is the available light. This will display in green when the APU speed is above 95%. So once this N1 will above 95% on the digital reading, then this available light will come, and same available light will available on the start push button also in green color. This is your APU bleed wall position. So once this is a green.
So guys, hope you got complete information about APU system display page, and see you again into the next part of ECAM control panel.
APU bleed wall closed with APU bleed on condition. There will be the cross amber indication once APU bleed air wall status information is not available. This is APU bleed air pressure, and this box display the relative bleed air in green color. So this pressure indication you'll get on green color, but there is a sometimes you'll get cross mark here on amber color. This will show amber cross when the ADRS 1 or ADRS 2 is off condition, or data from the ECB are invalid, or data is not transmitted from the ECB. So there are three conditions: invalid data from ECB, or data is not transferred from the ECB, or ADRS 1 or 2 is off condition. But if you see the practically on the aircraft, maybe this is old manual, but if you see practical on aircraft, ADRS 1 is if you are switching on, you get this indication from the cross to green indication. Again, this APU gen line contactor indicator will come here. Once APU generator line contactor is closed, this thing you will get in green color. This is about the APU generator parameter. This is also available on the electrical page, and here you'll find out the fuel low pressure. You can see like this amber fuel low pressure display in amber if the fuel pressure gets low. And already I have uploaded one video recently about the what is the troubleshooting and what I have done about this. So just watch my YouTube channel. And another is the flap open condition. This will display in green when the APU air intake flap is fully open condition. Then only you'll get this green indication. And this is there will be advisory if the flap is not fully closed 3 minutes after the master switch has been turned off. So you'll get advisory message on the ECAM if it is not closed within 3 minutes. This is about the APU speed. This will display. This is both analog and digital display. So APU speed in green color if everything is normal, all the parameters under the normal condition. This will become amber if speed is more than 102%. So once this will become more than 102%, you'll get amber caution. This will become red once speed is more than 107%. Then this will become red indication. Low level advisory will display if the ECB detected a low APU level when the aircraft is on ground and the APU is not running condition. This can release under information to pilot. You can suggest just for 10 flying hour if this advisory is coming. So there is a provision you can release the APU for 10 flying hour. APU available memo appear in the green when the APU speed is above 99.5% or 2 seconds after 95%. So you'll get a APU available memo on the upper ECAM also. Next is if you talk about this EGT. So EGT, this is also important factor. So there is amber. You can see there is amber and red line. Red line at the EGT is maximum target value, and amber line at EGT is maximum minus 33 degrees Celsius. So you'll get amber line, amber caution here. So display APU EGT in green color if all the parameter normal. This will become amber when the EGT is more than or equal to the EGT maximum of minus 33 degrees Celsius. Then you get amber caution. Become red when the EGT is more than equal to the EGT maximum value. Then this will become red indication, and APU automatic shutdown will take place. So maximum EGT during start once aircraft is above 35,000 feet, it will be 1120 degrees Celsius, and maximum EGT 109 degrees Celsius once the aircraft is below 35,000 feet, and maximum EGT with APU running is 675 degrees Celsius on ground. You will get. So initially starting of the APU EGT will move, and then automatically once it will be stabilized, EGT will be normalized.